औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आप सभी का और एक बार तहे दिल से आपका खैर मुकदम। आज क्वार्टर फाइनल अंडर 19 T20 टूर्नामेंट दो टीमें जो है वो France 11 Chukkar versus CSK 11 Palhalan. Today is the big match between the two teams of under 19 T20 tournament played at Chukkar Tulbagh ground. This is a quarter final between the two teams. France 11 Chukkar versus CSK 11 Palhalan. आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें अपने दोस्तों के साथ और आप हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल वहाँ पे भी इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को देख सकते हैं। आज एक कड़ा मुकाबला है इन दो टीमों के दरमियान, फ्रांस 11 चुकर वर्सेस CSK 11 पलहालन। जो टीम इसमें जीत दर्ज करेगी वो अपना नाम करेगी सेमीफाइनल्स में। So it will be seen which team will qualify for semi-finals in this T20 under 19 tournament. The two batsmen come to bat and bowler is on his bowling mark. This is the first delivery of this match. Good delivery by this is another good delivery. This is the shot played by the batsman. This is first wicket for Chukkar. Kamran, skor ku silakan. Skor silakan sir. So this is a first wicket taken CSK Palhala in the shape of Mohammad Arif. He is the batsman. Lost his wicket. Now the bowler is on his bowling mark to the batsman and there is a yes no but at the end the two batsmen take a single. This is good delivery by the bowler, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score. आज थोड़ा बहुत इसमें here the player short play at the end. The two batsmen take a single. Sheikh Tanvir, thanks for joining us with this live stream. This is a good shot. Here is a chance of wicket. Oh, he missed this catch. Love you, Zubair, bro. Thank you for your love to Zubair. This is a wise 4 runs for Chukar 11, France 11. Oh, this is a great decision by the umpire. Johnny Kessel lost his wicket. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome again. There was any kind of a problem here in technical issue. यहाँ पे थोड़ा था. Now France 11, they lost their 3 early wickets and they have only 9 runs on board. This is not good batting by the batsmen of France 11. अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे आज CSK पलहालन. बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया. 3 विकेट चटकाए, सिर्फ 9 रन्स. Zubair takes his second wicket. Amir Mir is the new batsman for France 11. This is a quarter final between Friends 11 Chukkar versus CSK Palhalan. Zubair to the batsman, new batsman Amir Mir. Very good delivery by Zubair. The score remains on 9 for the loss of 3. Early wickets for Friends 11 Chukkar. They lost their early 3 wickets. Zubair to the batsman. This is a good shot played by the batsman, but at the end it is a single. Amir Mir, he opens his account with this single. Şöyle lekon CSK Palhalan. CSK. This is a Zubair to the batsman. This is a good delivery by bowler Zubair. This is dot delivery, no run. Zubair to the batsman. This is a good delivery, another good delivery by bowler Zubair. But the two batsmen take a single. There is a misfielding by the fielder. The two batsmen take 2 runs. This is another good delivery by Zubair. Sam Muzammil, assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam. Sam Muzammil sir for join us with this live stream. So this is the match between CSK Palhalan versus Friends 11 Chukkar. First CSK Palhalan, they win the toss. Toss. First Friends 11, they win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 3 hours, the score on board is 12 for the loss of 3. Now the new bowler on his bowling mark to the batsman Ashik Ahmed. Very good fielding at the end. No run. Score remains on 12 for the loss of 3. Amir Mir is the batsman. He's on strike now. Ashik to Amir. This is a good delivery, another good delivery, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 13 for the loss of 3. Not a good start by Friends 11 Chukkar. They lost their early 3 wickets and they have only 13 runs on board. Very good bowling by CSK Palhalan today. Very good bowling. Ashik to the batsman Huzef. Oh, here is a chance, but at the end this is a great fielding at the end. The two batsmen complete a single. With this single, the score moves on 14 for the loss of 3. This is a quarter final between CSK Palhalan versus Friends 11 Chukkar. Friends 11 Chukkar, they win the toss and they opted to bat first, but not good decision taken by the captain of Friends 11 Chukkar. Now Ashik to the batsman Amir. Here is another good delivery. Very good delivery by Ashik to Amir Mir. This is great delivery by Ashik. Sophie Basharat, match kiska hai? Thank you Sophie Basharat for join us with this live stream. This is under 19 tournament played at Chukkar Tulba ground. The two teams are, this is Ashik to the batsman and another good delivery. Dot delivery, no run, score remains on 14. The two teams are CSK Palhalan versus Friends 11 Chukkar. First Friends 11 Chukkar, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. But not good start by Friends 11 Chukkar. They lost their early 3 wickets. This is a very great delivery by Ashik. Another dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 14 after 4 hours. The team today which team won this match this quarter can qualify for semi-finals. Before this, Tangmarg Billows, Chukkar Cricket Club and Kashmir United, they also qualify for semi-finals in this under 19 T20 tournament. Alizan Olex, assalamu alaikum. Thank you Olizan, assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. and thanks for join us with this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is a not good start by France 11 Chukar because they lost their early 3 wickets. Now Abrar Maglu is the new bowler for CSK Palhalan. He comes to bowl. Abrar Maglu come on his bowling mark to the batsman, the captain of this France 11 Chukar, Huzef. This is a court delivery. Here is yes, no. But at the end, the 2 batsmen take a single. This is T20 tournament under 19 played at Chukar Tulba ground. The 2 teams are CSK Palhalan versus France 11 Chukar. Now Abrar to the batsman Amir Mir. Here is another court delivery. Here the 2 batsmen, they need to stay here. They need a partnership. They need a cool and calm cricket if they want to stay in this match, stay in this tournament. Now Abrar Maglu to the batsman Amir, and this is another good delivery at and very good fielding by the fielder of CSK Palhalan. No runs, score remains on 15 for the loss of 3. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए CSK Palhalan के बॉलरों की, बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया. They take their early 3 wickets. Oh, here was a chance of a catch, but at the end it is missed, and it is no ball given by the umpire. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है. कूल खेलना होगा यहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स 11 चुकर को बिकॉज दे लॉस्ट देयर 3 अर्ली विकेट्स. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है. एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा करना होगा यहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स 11 चुकर को. नाउ अबरार टू द बैट्समैन आमिर. This is a first 4 for Amir. With this 4, the score moves on 24 runs for the loss of 3. This is a great shot played by the batsman Amir Mir. Amir Mir moves on 10. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है, जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए. सो दिस इज अबरार टू द बैट्समैन आमिर. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड कमबैक बाय द बॉलर अबरार मगलू. डॉट डिलीवरी, नो रन. स्कोर रिमेन्स ऑन 24. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है फ्रेंड्स 11 चुकर को. एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा करना होगा. Oh, this is a good shot played by the batsman Amir Mir. This is 6 for Amir, 6 for Chukar France 11. This is first 6 of this inning of Chukar 11 France 11 Chukar. Very good shot played by the batsman Amir Mir. He moves on 16. The score moves on 30, but they lost their 3 early wickets. Abrar Maglu, he completes his 2 overs and give 22 and take 1 wicket. Now Zubair is on his bowling mark to the captain of this team France 11 Chukars, Huzef. He is on strike now. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है. अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा करना होगा. अभी ओवर से बाकी है. Now Zubair is on his 3rd over. He take early 2 wickets for his team. Very good bowling by the bowler Zubair. Only gives 6 runs. 2 विकेट चटकाए जुबैर ने अपने टीम के लिए. सिर्फ 6 रन खर्च किए, सिर्फ 6 रनों पर. Now he is on his bowling mark to the captain of France 11 Chukar, Huzef. He is on 4 runs. आज यहाँ एक बड़ा मुकाबला खेला जा रहा है 2 टीमों के दरमियान. This is a quarter final between the 2 teams. France 11 Chukar versus CSK Palhalan. This is Zubair to the batsman. Oh, here is a chance. Oh, he lost this chance of the captain Huzef Mir. यहाँ पे शांति से खेलना होगा चुकर फ्रेंड्स 11 को. यहाँ से दिमाग से खेलना होगा क्योंकि पहले ही 3 विकेट खोए हैं चुकर फ्रेंड्स 11 ने. यहाँ पे शांत से खेलना होगा फ्रेंड्स 11 चुकर को because they lost their early 3 wickets. Now Zubair to the batsman Huzef. This is a great shot played by the batsman Huzef. This is first 4 for Huzef. With this 4, the score moves on 34. They need to be cool here. They need to be calm here because they lost their early 3 wickets. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है इस टीम फ्रेंड्स 11 को क्योंकि अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज CSK Palhalan ने. Now Zubair to the batsman Huzef. This is a great comeback by the bowler Zubair. Very good delivery. Dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 34 for the loss of 3. Wajid Sultan, Sami Tayar, Rose batting khatra. Thank you, Wajid Sultan, sir, for your love to Sami Saab. Thank you for joining us with this live stream. This is another good delivery by Zubair. Dot delivery. No run. यहाँ पे शांति से खेला होगा चुकर फ्रांस 11 चुकर को, क्योंकि पहले से ही 3 विकेट गंवाए हैं यहाँ पे उसने. वाजिद सुल्तान समी तैयार रोज बैटिंग कर. थैंक यू वाजिद सुल्तान फॉर योर लव टू Sami. This is Zubair to the batsman Huzef. Oh, this is a good delivery. Wants to hit this ball but cannot touch this ball. This is dot delivery. No run score remains on 34 for the loss of 3. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी क्वालिटी और आवाज हमारी आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. Now Zubair on his bowling mark to the batsman, the captain of this front 11 Chukar, Huzef. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman Huzef. This is another 4 for Huzef and another 4 for France 11 Chukar. They need these kinds of batting here because they lost their early wickets and they have only 38 runs on board and they lost 3 wickets. Today not go. आज निराश किया आज पहले बल्लेबाजों ने अपनी टीम France 11 Chukar because they lost 3 wickets. Now the score is 38 for the loss of 3 after 6 overs. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए सीएसके पलालन के पावरों की, they take their early 3 wickets here. Now France 11 Chukar, they need a partnership here. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है, अगर इस टूर्नामेंट में बने रहना है. वानी फैसल, वीडियो एंड वॉइस क्वालिटी बोथ आर गुड. थैंक यू वानी फैसल साहब फॉर योर लव, फॉर योर सपोर्ट टू दिस चैनल. यू कैन आल्सो वॉच दिस ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप कहां से हमारी चैनल इस वीडियो लाइव स्ट्रीम को कहां से देख रहे हो. कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए. दिस इज द क्वार्टर फाइनल बिटवीन सीएसके पलालन वर्सेस फ्रांस 11 Chukar. First France 11 Chukar, they win the toss but not good batting today. They lost their 3 early wickets and they have only 38 runs on board after 6 overs. Wani Faisal, thank you for your support. Thanks for your love. Keep share this live stream with your friends. Now this is Ashik. Ashik is on his bowling mark to the batsman Amir. This is a great shot played by the batsman but at the end very good fielding. No run, score remains on 38 for the loss of 3. France 11 Chukar, they need a partnership here because they lost their early wickets. 3 early wickets they lost. Now Ashik. Panun Zoo lagan, zoom karo, thank you. This is another good delivery by Ashik. Dot delivery. Thank you Panun Zoo sahab for this suggestion. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप तक वीडियो क्वालिटी और वॉइस हमारी आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. पनन जू, थैंक यू जू साहब. दिस इज आशिक टू द बैट्समैन आमिर मीर. ओह, दिस इज स्लोवर डिलीवरी. Beat the batsman. No run score remains on 38 for the loss of 3. Pandit Shaul Moghama, zoom karo please. Wani Faisal, I am the captain of Kashmir United watching from Magam. Thank you Wani Faisal Saab. And best of luck for your next game. A very good played yesterday at Chukatulba ground. Thank you. This is Ashik to the batsman Amir. Amir plays this shot but at the end very good fielding. The 2 batsmen take a single. With this single the score moves on 39 for the loss of 3. The partnership is on 30 and 28 deliveries. मंसूर बाग थोड़ा जूम करो. अब आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप तक वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. जूम हमने जूम इसको किया है. मंसूर बाग साहब, थैंक यू. दिस इज आशिक, स्लोवर डिलीवरी बट एट द एंड वेरी गुड शॉट बट very good fielding at the end. The 2 batsmen take a single. The score moves on 40 for the loss of 3. Pandit Shaul Moghama, thank you to join us with this live stream. Samla MG, this is another good delivery but very good running between the 2 batsmen to take a single. The score moves on 41. आज का मैच आज ही बड़ा मुकाबला इन 2 टीमों के दरमियान. सीएसके पलालन वर्सेस फ्रांस 11 Chukar. फ्रांस 11 Chukar ने पहले टॉस जीतकर बल्लेबाजी का निर्णय लिया लेकिन 3 विकेट गंवाए, सिर्फ 41 रन 7 ओवर के बाद. मंसूर बाग थोड़ा जूम करो. अब कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक कैसी क्वालिटी और वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है और हमारी आवाज आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. और आप जरूर लिखिए आप कहां से देख रहे हो, कहां से देख रहे हो इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को. कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए. तौफीक उमर अहमद, मुझे वारिया चुका. थैंक यू तौफीक फॉर joining us this live stream. Now after 7 hours the score is 41 for the loss of 3. This is great bowling by CSK Palalan earlier. They take their early 3 wickets. Now फ्रेंड्स 11 they need यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है फ्रेंड्स 11 चुकर को अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है. Imran to the batsman Amir Mir. Oh, this is a good delivery by Imran. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 41 for the loss of 3. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप कहां से इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को देखते हैं और आप हमारी आवाज आप तक और वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. नाउ इमरान टू द बैट्समैन आमिर wants to hit this ball but cannot touch this ball. Missed this ball. The score remains on 41 for the loss of 3. आज अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे सीएसके पलाला ने 3 विकेट चटकाए सिर्फ 41 रन बोर्ड पे. नाउ इमरान टू द बैट्समैन आमिर. दिस इज अ गुड डिलीवरी अनदर गुड डिलीवरी बाय द बॉलर इमरान. This is a dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 41 for the loss of 3. तौफीक उमर अहमद मुदस्सिर की और मेरी पार्टनरशिप. Thank you तौफीक उमर साहब for join us with this live stream. Now Imran to the Amir wants to hit this but at the end fielded by the fielder. The 2 batsmen take a single. With the single the score moves on 42 for the loss of 3. Now the captain of this France 11 Chukar on strike Huzef. He's on 13. Imran to the batsman Huzef. Oh, very good delivery by Imran. Dot delivery. Beat the batsman here. The score remains on 43 for the loss of 3. After 7.5 hours. This is the last delivery of 8th over. This is the first evening of this match between CSK Palalan versus France 11 Chukar. France 11 Chukar, they win the toss and they opted to bat first. Imran to the batsman Huzef. Oh, Huzef मारना चाहते थे लेकिन पीछ हुए यहाँ पे अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा इमरान ने. After 8 overs, the score on board is 42 for the loss of 3. मीर मुदस्सिर शिकस्त छ ओसुक मैं 11 त्रावन बेटस. मीर मुदस्सिर thank you for joining us with this live stream. 42. Keep share this live stream with your friends and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और हमारी वीडियो की क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए. तौफीक उमर अहमद हा वाली ये घर बेहतरा ओपन. Thank you for your suggestion to France 11 Chukar because they lost their early 3 wickets. Not good batting here at Chukatulba ground. But at the end, this is very good bowling by CSK Palalan here. They need here early wickets. And they take also 3 early wickets here. Only 42 runs on board. Tawfiq Umar Ahmad, thank you for joining us with this live stream. Now, this is the 9th over of this first evening. And the batsman Amir on strike. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है फ्रेंड्स 11 चुकर को. अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा करना होगा यहाँ पे. Now the new bowler is Shakir. Is a new bowler for CSK Palalan. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और वीडियो की क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. आज थोड़ा इसमें प्रॉब्लम इश्यू हुआ था थोड़ा इसमें, उसके लिए सॉरी. Shakir is the new bowler. Shakir to the batsman Amir. This is wide delivery given by the umpire. This is wide. 43 on board for the loss of 3. Mir Mutasir Said Adil, thank you for joining us with this live stream. Love you sir, thank you. Said Adil Saab. This is Shakir. Here is another chance. Here is another chance for a wicket. Oh, this is good catch taken at the end. But it is no ball given by the umpire. Here is free hit. Here is free hit. And यहाँ पे किस्मत है बैट्समैन का क्योंकि no ball given by the umpire. And they lost their early 3 wickets. And this is a luck for the batsman. Very good delivery. But at the end is no ball given by the umpire. Shakir to the batsman Huzef. And this is good shot played by the batsman Huzef. This is 6. Very good shot. And they need these kinds of shots here because they have lost their early 3 wickets. This is 6 for Huzef, 6 for France 11 Chukar. Very good shot played by the captain of this team, France 11. Score moves on 50, 50 up for France 11 Chukar. And they lost 3 wickets. Thank you Said Adil Saab for your love and keep share this live stream with your friends. And you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Very good shot played by the batsman of France 11 Chukar. This is a huge six by the captain of this team, Huzef. This is a 50 up for France 11 Chukar, but they lost their early 3 wickets. Muhammad Ashraf Shah, bring Lala for commentary. Thank you, Muhammad Ashraf Shah, for your love to Lala. Lala is at his home. Sorry for this, Ashraf Shah Saab. Now Shakir on his bowling mark to the batsman. Batsman Huzef. Score kuch laka. Kamran the batsman down. आज बहुत ही अच्छी पानी का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे आज सीएसके पलहालन ने 3 विकेट छटकाए, सिर्फ 50 रन बनाई है अभी फ्रांस 11 चुकर ने. Catch here. This is a great delivery, but at the end the 2 batsmen take a single. Here was yes no, but at the end the 2 batsmen take 2 runs here. Oh. This is not good cricket played here by France 11 Chukar. They lost their mental health here. क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 ही रन थे, अब यहाँ पे 3 रन की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. यहाँ पे अब 1 विकेट और गवाया. They are frustrated here. But आज दाद देनी होगी सीएसके पलहालन की. और एक विकेट ली. बहुत ही अच्छी फील्डिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज सीएसके पलहालन ने. Now the score is 52 for the loss of 4. Not good played today by France 11 Chukar. यहाँ पे रन लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी यहाँ पे चुकर को. आज खराब बैटिंग, खराब खेल का मुजाहरा कर रही है चुकर फ्रंट 11. 52 for the loss of 4. Now the new batsman. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और हमारी वीडियो की क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. This is quarter final between the 2 teams, CSK Palahalan versus France 11 Chukar. First France 11 Chukar, they win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 8.2 hours, the score on board is 52 for the loss of 4. आज अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे सीएसके पलहालन ने. 4 विकेट छटकाए. सिर्फ बॉलिंग से भी बैटिंग, आज बॉलिंग से भी फील्डिंग से भी आज खुश किया अपने चाहने वालों को सीएसके पलहालन ने. Now Shakir is on his bowling mark to the new batsman. Umar Elahi is the new batsman. This is a great delivery by Shakir. Dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 52 for the loss of 4. Shakir to the new batsman Umar Elahi. Umar Elahi plays a shot here and a very good fielding, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 53 for the loss of 4. Now this is Shakir on his bowling mark to the batsman Huzef. Huzef wants to hit this but cannot touch this ball. This is a dot delivery. No runs to score. Remains on 53 for the loss of 4. Shakir to the batsman. Batsman Huzef plays a shot here, but at the end, very good fielding. Oh, but misses the ball, and this is 4. This is a lazy fielding here by the fielder of CSK Palalan. This is a 4 for Huzef, 4 for Friends 11 Chukar. CSK Palalan, they need to be calm and cool here because they take early 4 wickets. Zakir Lone, hi love you brother. Thank you Zakir Lone Saab for your love to me. This is a quarter final between the two teams, Friends 11 Chukar versus CSK Palalan. And thanks to join us with this live stream, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Now it is 9 overs up and the score is 57 for the loss of 4. Now Imran is the bowler on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar Ilahi. Oh, this is a great delivery. Beat the batsman Umar Ilahi. No runs to score. Remains on 57 for the loss of 4. अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज CSK Palalan ने. Now Imran to the batsman Umar Ilahi. This is a shot played by the batsman Umar Ilahi, but at the end here the two batsmen take a single. Here Friends 11 Chukar, they need to be cool here. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है अगर इस मैच में और इस टूर्नामेंट में बने रहना है Friends 11 Chukar को. Now Imran to the batsman Huzef, the captain of this Friends 11 Chukar. Oh, this is a clean ball here by Imran. This is the wicket of Huzef. He lost his wicket and he make only 25. Very good bowling by Imran. He take his first wicket in the shape of Huzef Mir. The score is 58 for the loss of 5. आज लाइन लग गई यहाँ पे विकेटों की. 58 रन only on board and they lost 5 early wickets. आज निराश किया आज Friends 11 Chukar ने अपने चाहने वालों को. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है CSK Palalan के बॉलर्स की. बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज यहाँ पे इस ग्राउंड पे चुकर तुलबा ग्राउंड में. दिस इज क्वार्टर फाइनल बिटवीन द टू टीम्स CSK Palalan वर्सेस Friends 11 Chukar. First Friends 11 Chukar, they win the toss and they opted to bat first, but not good decision taken by the captain of Friends 11 Chukar. The score is 58 only on board and they lost 5 early wickets, and this is the 10th over of this evening. Very good bowling by Imran. He takes the wicket of captain Friends 11 Chukar, Huzef Mir. He goes on 25. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है CSK Palalan की. आज निराश किया आज यहाँ पे Friends 11 Chukar ने अपने चाहने वालों को. Very good bowling by the bowlers of CSK Palalan. They take their early 5 wickets and they have only 58 runs on board. यहाँ पे अगर जरूरत है तो पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है. यहाँ पे Friends 11 Chukar को एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है अगर वो if they want to give the target of 140-130 to CSK Palalan. अगर हम Palalan की बात करें तो उसमें बैटिंग में बहुत ही गहराई है Palalan में. So this is Imran to the new batsman Adil. Oh, this is another good delivery missed by the wicket keeper. This is a 4 byes. Very good bowling by Imran. The score with this byes 4 moves on 62 for the loss of 5. आज अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे आज CSK Palalan ने. यहाँ पे अगर जरूरत है तो यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है, अगर इस टूर्नामेंट में बने रहना है. They need a partnership here if they want to stay in this match. Now Imran to the batsman Adil Ahmad Dar, the new batsman for France 11 Chukar. Imran to the batsman Adil. Here is a shot by the batsman Adil, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. With the single the score moves on 63 for the loss of 5. Thank you for joining us with this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Right now this is Imran on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar Elahi. Umar Elahi wants to hit this ball, but at the end here is misfield by the two batsmen. Take 2 runs here. Here the batsmen of France 11 Chukar, they need to be cool and calm here. Now this is end of 10 overs. The score is only 65 for the loss of 5. यहाँ पे कूल एंड काम क्रिकेट खेलना होगा फ्रेंड्स 11 चुकर को अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है. अगर 130-140 का टारगेट देना होगा फ्रेंड्स सीएसके पलालन को, क्योंकि फ्रेंड्स सीएसके पलालन उनके पास बैटिंग में भी बहुत ही गहराई है. नाउ Zubair on his bowling mark to the batsman Adil Ahmad Dar. Here is a chance, but at the end this is missed. The two batsmen take a single. With the single the score moves on 66 for the loss of 5. This is the 4th over of this Zubair. He take early 2 wickets for his team. Very good bowling by Zubair. Now he's on his bowling mark to Umar Elahi. This is a good ball by Zubair. Beat the batsman Umar Elahi. No run score remains on 66 for the loss of 5. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है सीएसके पलालन के बॉलर्स की, क्योंकि एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज. Now Zubair on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar Elahi. Umar Elahi plays a shot here, but at the end very good fielding by the fielder of CSK Palalan. The two batsmen take a single. With the single the score moves on 67 for the loss of 5. Abdul Qayyum, thanks for joining us with this live stream. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. And keep share this live stream with your friends. And you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Now this is Zubair to the batsman Adil Ahmad Dar. This is a great shot at the end. Very good fielding by the fielder. The two batsmen take a single. With this single the score moves on 68 for the loss of 5. Here France 11 Chukar, they need be calm and cool. They need a partnership here if they want to give the target of 130-140. Here is another good delivery by Zubair. No run score remains on 68 for the loss of 5 after 10.45 hours. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप कहां से इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को देख रहे हो. नाउ दिस इज जुबैर टू द बैट्समैन उमर इलाही. उमर इलाही बीट्स हियर. उमर इलाही की बात अगर करें तो इसमें गहराई है खेलने की, क्षमता है खेलने की, उसके पास टेक्निक है, लेकिन यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए सीएसके पलालन की, आज अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे चुकरतुलबा ग्राउंड में. नाउ द न्यू बॉलर इज इमरान ऑन हिज बॉलिंग मार्क टू द बैट्समैन आदिल अहमद डार. Great delivery by Imran. At the end, very good fielding by the fielder of CSK Palalan, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score moves on 68 for the loss of 5. Now Imran on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar Elahi. This is a wide delivery given by the umpire. The score moves on 70 for the loss of 5. Here France 11 Chukar, they need to be sitting here. They need a partnership here. if they want to give the target of 140 to CSK Palalan. Imran on his bowling mark to Umar Elahi and beat the batsman Umar Elahi. Very good delivery by Imran. The score remains on 70 for the loss of 5. आप ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और हमारी क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है, कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए. नाउ दिस इज इमरान टू द बैट्समैन उमर इलाही. दिस इज अ वाइड डिलीवरी गिवन बाय द अंपायर. दिस इज वाइड. द स्कोर मूव्स ऑन 71 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 5. Here CSK Palalan, they need to be cool and calm here because they take their early 5 wickets. Now Imran to Umar Elahi. Umar Elahi plays a shot here but and missed by the fielder. This is 4 for Umar Elahi and 4 for France 11 Chukar. The score moves on 75 for the loss of 5. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है. एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा करना होगा फ्रांस 11 चुकर को बिकॉज दे लॉस्ट देयर अर्ली 5 विकेट्स एंड दे हैव ओनली 75 ऑन बोर्ड. यहाँ पे एक अच्छा टारगेट देना होगा बिकॉज दिस पिच इज बैटिंग पिच. यहाँ पे टारगेट जो है 185 हियर. yesterday the target was given by Kashmir United 200 runs to Belize Warriors, but good luck for Belize Warriors. They lost yesterday match and congratulations to yesterday match. Kashmir United win that match and qualify for semi-finals. Now this is a shot played by Umar Elahi. The two batsmen take a single. With this single the score moves on 76 for the loss of 5. Here France 11, they need to be cool here. They need a partnership here. The three teams qualify in this tournament. They are here is a chance here but at the end no fielder here. The two batsmen take a single. With the single the score moves on 78 run for the loss of 5. Sorry for the loss of 5. Tangmarg Billus Chukar Cricket Club and Kashmir United, they are the teams who qualify for semi-finals in this tournament under 19. This is the last delivery of this over. The score moves on 78 for the loss of 5 after 12 hours. Zubair take 2 wickets. Ibrar Maglu take 1. Ashik Pandya no wicket. Imran take 1. Shakir no wicket. The score is 78 for the loss of 5 after 12 hours. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है फ्रांस 11 चुकर को अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है, इस टूर्नामेंट में बने रहना है. एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा खेलना होगा, दिखाना होगा यहाँ पे फ्रांस 11 चुकर को. They need to be cool and calm here if they want to stay in this match, stay in this tournament. क्योंकि अभी 8 ओवर्स का खेल बाकी है. आप लाइव स्ट्रीम में ज़रूर लिखिए, कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी क्वालिटी और वीडियो की क्वालिटी और आवाज़ कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. सो दिस इज Shakir on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar Elahi. Oh, this is a great delivery by bowler Shakir. Beat the batsman Umar Elahi. No run score remains on 78 for the loss of 5. Very good bowling by the bowlers of CSK Palalan. Shakir to the batsman Umar Elahi. This is another good delivery and very good fielding by the fielder. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 79 for the loss of 5. This is T20 under 19 tournament played at Chukatulbagh ground. Ex-Adi Adil on fire. Thank you, ex-Adil Saab, for your love to Adil Dar. Now Shakir on his bowling mark to the batsman Adil Ahmadar. And keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Shakir to the batsman Adil. Here is a shot played by the batsman Adil. This is a 4 for Adil, 4 for France 11 Chukar. They need to be stay here. They need these kinds of shots if they want to give the target of 150, 140 to CSK Palalan, because this pitch is batting pitch. Here is a 180, 190 is the safe score. But France 11 Chukar, they lost their early 5 wickets. Now the two batsmen at pitch, they need to be calm and cool here, because they have left 7 overs now. Latif Choban, love you sir, thank you. This is a shock here to the batsman Adil. Adil wants to play a shot here, but at the end very good fielding, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single the score moves on 85 for the last 4 for the loss of 5. Latif Choban, आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए, and thanks for your support, thanks for your love. Keep share this live stream. Now Umar Ilahi on strike. Oh, this is a very good delivery by Shakir. Beat the batsman Umar Ilahi. Oh, this is out given by the umpire. Very good stepping by the wicket keeper. This is very good stepping, very good. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए CSK पलालन की उतनी कम है. Now France 11 Chukar, they lost their 6th wicket in the shape of Umar Ilahi. He goes on 12. आज निराश किया फ्रांस 11 चुकर ने अपने चाहने वालों को, और दाद देनी होगी आज CSK पलालन की. तारीफ करनी होगी, जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है CSK पलालन की, चाहे बॉलिंग से, चाहे फील्डिंग से, चाहे कैचिंग से, चाहे विकेट कीपिंग से. बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया CSK पलालन ने. और ये क्रिकेट है, एक टीम को जीतना है, एक टीम को हारना है, लेकिन अपना 100% देना होगा हर एक प्लेयर को. सो दिस इज अ कैम्प. This is a T20 under-19 tournament played at Chukar Tulba ground. The two teams are CSK Palawan versus France 11 Chukar. First, France 11 Chukar, they win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 12.5 hours, the score on board is 84 for the loss of 6. Very good bowling, very good catching, very good keeping by CSK Palawan here. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए CSK Palawan की उतनी कम है. आज अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे CSK पलालन ने. The score is 84 for the loss of 6. Now the new batsman for France 11 is Sikandar is the new batsman for and this batsman, अगर हम इसकी बात करें तो इसमें क्षमता है खेलने की, because he is powerful technique batsman for France 11 Chukar. But here they need to be calm and cool because they lost their early 6 wickets. अभी 7 ओवर्स खेलने बाकी है. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है. यहाँ पे अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा करना होगा France 11 Chukar को, because they lost their early 6 wickets here, but they have only 84 runs on board. Shakir on his bowling mark to the new batsman Sikandar. He is the hitman of this team France 11 Chukar. उसके पास क्षमता है, ताकत है, टेक्निक है खेलने की, लेकिन यहाँ पे खेलना होगा. यहाँ पे रनर्स दरकार है France 11 Chukar को, because they have low total on board here, 84 runs, and they lost 6 wickets. Now Shakir to the new batsman Sikandar. This is a wide given by the umpire and a free hit. Now the score is 85. This is a good comeback by Shakir. Beat the batsman Sikandar. Very good bowling by Shakir. Beat the batsman Sikandar. Sikandar wants to hit this ball but cannot touch. After 13 hours, the score is 85 for the loss of 6. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. और आप सभी का शुक्रिया, आप हर वक्त सपोर्ट करते हो. आप हमारे YouTube चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल, वहाँ पे भी आप हमें सब्सक्राइब करें और हमें वहाँ पे सपोर्ट करें. और हमारा इंस्टाग्राम पेज, वहाँ पे भी आप हमें सपोर्ट कर सकते हो. वहाँ पे भी हमारा मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल. The score is only 85 for the loss of 6 after 13 overs. Now the new bowler is Abrar Maglu. He take also his first wicket, and this is a third over for Abrar Maglu. Abrar Maglu to the batsman Adil. Oh, this is a great delivery by Abrar Maglu. Beat the batsman Adil Dar. Very good delivery by Abrar. The score remains on 85 for the loss of 6. Abrar to the batsman Adil. Here is a chance. Here is a chance. Can they take this wicket? Oh, this is the end of Adil Ahmad Dar. CSK Palalan they take their seventh wicket in the shape of Adil Ahmad Dar. Very good catching at the end, and this is a good ball by Abrar Maglu. He take his second wicket. Not good cricket played by फ्रंट 11 चुकर. आज निराश किया फ्रंट 11 चुकर ने अपने चाहने वालों को. They lost their 7th wicket and they have only 85 on board. Very good bowling by Abrar and very good catch taken by the fielder of CSK Palalan. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है CSK Palalan की. आज के कैचिंग भी अच्छी की, फील्डिंग भी अच्छी की, स्टेपिंग विकेट कीपिंग भी अच्छी की, और बॉलिंग की तो बात ही नहीं है. बॉलिंग से भी आज दिल खुश किया अपने चाहने वालों के. Now the new batsman Irshad Ahmad is the new batsman. This is the new batsman on crease. They have only 85 on board and they lost 7. Rafiq Rabi watching from Wagura. Thank you Rafiq Rabi sir for your love, and you also support me. Also share this live stream with your friends. Keep share this live stream, and you can also support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. You can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Very good bowling by the bowlers of CSK Palalan. 85 on board and they lost 7 wickets after 13.2 hours. Now Abrar to the new batsman Irshad Ahmad. Irshad Ahmad को खेलना होगा आज. This is a wide given by the umpire. यहाँ पे cool and calm की जरूरत है दोनों बैट्समैन को, क्योंकि 7 विकेट पहले से ही खोई है फ्रंट 11 चुकर ने. Now Abrar to the new batsman Irshad Ahmad. Oh, clean bowled by Abrar. This is the another wicket for Abrar and front 11 चुकर. जैसे कि उनको जल्दी है जाने की, और एक आता है एक जाता है. कौन सा खेल खेल रहे हैं यहाँ पे front 11 चुकर. They lost their 8th wicket in the shape of Irshad. Irshad goes on duck. This is a not cricket, good cricket played by front 11 चुकर. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है बॉलर्स की CSK Palalan की. He take the wicket of Irshad. Now 86 on board and they lost 8 wickets. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है CSK Palalan के बॉलर्स की. CSK Palalan आज तारीफ की हकदार है. And front 11 they are in a hurry here. They are in a hurry here because they lost early 8 wickets. And आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है CSK Palalan की. Very good bowling by Abrar. He take his 3rd wicket in the shape of Irshad Ahmad. Clean bowled by Abrar. Very good bowling by Abrar Ahmad. Now the new batsman is Umair on strike. Khan Adil watching from Surah Dulbagh. Thank you from watching this live stream, Khan Adil Saab. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watching this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is under 19 T20 tournament played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. The two teams are CSK Palalan versus Front 11 Chukar. First Front 11 Chukar, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. But after 13.3 hours, 86 on board and they lost 8 wickets. Khan Adil watching from Surah. Thank you Adil sir for watching this live stream, and keep share this live stream with your friends. Now the new batsman for Front 11 Chukar is Umair. Is the new batsman Umair. Sorry. Abrar बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज. अबरार ने 3 विकेट चटकाए अपनी टीम के लिए. Now the new batsman is on strike. Umair. Abrar to Umair. This is another great delivery by Umair. Very good delivery by Umair. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 86. Can Front 11 Chukar give the target of 130-120 to CSK Palalan? It will be seen in next. This is another good delivery by Abrar. But at the end, the two batsmen here is yes, no. At the end, the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 88 for the loss of 87. Hafiz Javed Chopan, good job Lalbhai. Thank you Hafiz Javed Saab for joining us with this live stream, and thanks for your support and thanks for watching this live stream. And you can also support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is the last delivery of this over Abrar on his bowling mark to the batsman Sikandar. Sikandar plays a shot here at the end. Very good fielding by Sami. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 88 for the loss of 8. After 14 hours, here the two batsmen, they need a partnership here. If they want to give the target, they want to give the target of 140, 130 to CSK Palalan, because this is a great here batting pitch. Abrar completes his third hour and he take 3 wickets and gives only 25. बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया आज सीएसके पलालन ने, खासकर अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया, कीपिंग भी अच्छी की, कैचिंग भी अच्छी की। आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है। 8 विकेट चटकाए। Now the new bowler is on his bowling mark. Shakir is the new bowler for look Shakir. Ashik on his bowling mark. What's Ashik on his bowling mark to the batsman Sikandar. Here's a short period by the batsman Sikandar, but at the end very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 88 for the loss of 8. Now Umair on strike. Ashik to the batsman Umair. This is slower delivery by but at the end very good fielding by the fielder of CSK Palalan, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 89 here. Front 11 Chukar, they need to be cool and calm. They need a partnership here. Ashik to the batsman Sikandar. This is another good delivery by Ashik, but at the end the two batsmen take a single here. With the single, the score moves on 90 for the loss of 8. Ashik to the batsman Umair. Oh, this is another good delivery by Ashik. आज अगर फ्रंट 11 चुकर की बात करें तो जैसे कि उनको आज जल्दी थी, यहाँ पे अपने जल्दी विकेट गवाए, यहाँ पे 8 विकेट गवाए। वेरी गुड डिलीवरी बाय आशिक. Beat the batsman Umair. No run score remains on 90 for the loss of 8. And the batsman Umair. The batsman Umair. Now Ashik on his bowling mark to the batsman Umair. This is a no. This is that delivery given by the umpire. Ashik to the batsman Umair. This is slower delivery. Here is a short period by the batsman. Here is a chance. Oh, this is a 6. Very good short period by Umair. This is first 6 for Umair. With the 6, the score moves on 96 for the loss of 8. Yet to bat for front 11. Aftab Mir is the batsman for yet to bat. Here front 11 Chukar. They need to be cool and calm. They need here partnership because they have left 5 overs. 30 balls are remaining. Ashik this is another good shot played by the batsman Umair. This is 4 for Umair and 4 for front 11 Chukar. The score moves on 100. After 15 hours, the score is 100 run for the loss of 8. Now Sikandar on strike. Mir Mudassir Emir is on fire. Thank you, Mir Mudassir Saab, for joining us with this live stream. They need to be calm and cool cricket here. They need a partnership here.
On his bowling mark.
Bablu, a very keeper batsman, and greatest of all times wicketkeeper batsman.
आप जरूर लिखिए कमेंट सेक्शन में आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और हमारी क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है, कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए. आफ्टर 15 hours the score on ball is 100 run for the loss of 8. Now Abrar Maglu on his fourth over. This is the last over for Abrar Maglu. He take early 3 wickets for his team. Very good bowling by Abrar Maglu. Now he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Sikandar. Thank you Mir Mudassir Saab for joining us with this live stream. Keep share this live stream also with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है, कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए. नाउ दिस इज अबरार मगलू टू द बैट्समैन सिकंदर. आज यहाँ पे सिकंदर को खेलना होगा, एक अच्छी पारी खेलनी होगी क्योंकि दरकार है एक पारी की. Oh, this is a good shot played by the batsman Sikandar. This is 6 for Sikandar. First 6 for Sikandar. With this 6, the score moves on 106 for the loss of 8. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है, एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा करना होगा चुकर फ्रंट्स 11 को, because they lost their early 8 wickets. They need to be give the target of 150, 160. Can they give? It will be seen. Now Abrar to the, oh, this is another shot. Here is a chance, but at the end it is 6 for Sikandar. 6 for fronts 11 Chukar. The 2 6s on 2 balls. The score moves on 112 for the loss of 8. यहाँ पे खेलना होगा आज सिकंदर को, एक अच्छी पारी खेलनी होगी क्योंकि 8 विकेट खोए हैं यहाँ पे. They have left 5 overs, 28 डिलीवरीज अभी बाकी है इस खेल में. आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए. नाउ दिस इज सिकंदर. ही मूव्स ऑन 30 विद द हेल्प ऑफ 2 ह्यूज सिक्सेस. सिकंदर के पास वो क्षमता है, वो ताकत है, वो टेक्निक है खेलने की. आज जरूरत है फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर को इस बैट्समैन सिकंदर की आज खेलना होगा यहाँ पे क्योंकि जरूरत है, बिकॉज दिस इज अ क्वार्टर फाइनल बिटवीन द टू टीमर्स. अगर लाज रखनी होगी अपने टीम की, इस मैच में बने रहना होगा, इस टूर्नामेंट में बने रहना होगा, तो सिकंदर को खेलना होगा आज. एक अच्छा सा टोटल देना होगा सीएसके पलालन. अगर हम सीएसके पलालन की बात करें, उनमें बैटिंग की बात करें तो बैटिंग में बहुत ही गहराई है, उनके पास बहुत ही अच्छे बैटर्स हैं. They have quality of batsman CSK Palalan. Now Abrar Maglu to the batsman Sikandar. They need to be calm and cool here. Oh, here is a great comeback by Abrar. Good delivery. Beat the batsman Sikandar. Very good delivery by Abrar. Good comeback. The score remains on 112 runs. For the loss of 8. Abrar to the batsman Sikandar. There and Sikandar plays a shot for 4. This is 4 for Sikandar. 4 for France 11. The score moves on 116 for the loss of 8. The partnership moves on 30 in just 13 deliveries. आज सिकंदर को यहाँ पे खेलना होगा अपनी टीम के लिए, एक अच्छा सा टोटल देना होगा सीएसके पलालन को, बिकॉज दिस पिच इज बैटिंग पिच हियर. नाउ Abrar Maglu on his bowling mark to the batsman Sikandar. Sikandar, he is on 17. This is a good shot played by the batsman Sikandar. Huge 6 by Sikandar. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का, आधे दर्जन रन अपने नाम के, अपने टीम के नाम के सिकंदर ने. The score moves on 122. They need to be this batsman Sikandar. आज खेलना होगा यहाँ पे सिकंदर हो, एक अच्छी पारी खेलनी होगी। नाउ स्कोर मूव्स ऑन 122 रन फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 8। Sikandar moves on 23 for the loss of 9. He moves on 22. He faced only 9 deliveries. This is an expensive over by Abrar Maglu. 3 sixes, 1 4 by Sikandar. अभी 25 भाले खेलने बाकी हैं इस टीम को। यहाँ पे कूल एंड काम रहना होगा फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर को। एक अच्छा सा टोटल देना होगा सीएसके पलहालन को, बिकॉज उनके पास अच्छे बैट्समैन है, उनके पास गहराई है बल्लेबाजी में। जुबी बाट, थैंक यू जुबी बाट फॉर ज्वाइन अस विद दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम। आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए, एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर लव। उमर डार, थैंक यू उमर डार सर फॉर योर लव, और आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए उमर डार साहब। थैंक्स फॉर योर लव, थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट। कीप शेयर दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड यू कैन आल्सो सपोर्ट मी ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल। This is a T20 under-19 tournament played here at Chukar Tulba ground. The two teams are CSK Palahalan versus Front 11 Chukar. First, Front 11 Chukar, they win the toss and they decided to bat first, but they lost their early 8 wickets. Mir Mudassir, आप जरूर लिखिए आप हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम कहाँ से देख रहे हो, कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए। सिकंदर ही इज ऑन फायर। एक अच्छी बल्लेबाजी की जरूरत है यहाँ पे सिकंदर को, एक अच्छी पारी की जरूरत है फ्रंट 11 चुकर को। यहाँ पे कूल एंड काम क्रिकेट खेलनी होगी इन दो बल्लेबाजों को। जुबी बाट, सिकंदर इज ऑन फायर। थैंक यू जुबी बाट फॉर योर लव टू सिकंदर। आज एक अच्छी पारी की जरूरत है सिकंदर को, बिकॉज दे लॉस्ट देयर अर्ली 8 विकेट्स। Now Abrar Maglu to the batsman, big hitter of this front 11 Chukar सिकंदर। इससे पहले भी अच्छी बैटिंग का मुजाहरा किया और मैन ऑफ द मैच अपने नाम किया था। इससे पहले भी एक मैच में अपने नाम मैन ऑफ द मैच लिया था सिकंदर ने। ही इज the good batsman of this team front 11 Chukar. He need to be stay here. He need to be calm and cool cricket here, because front 11 Chukar, they need here this batsman Sikandar. Now Abrar to the batsman Sikandar. This is a great comeback by Abrar. Good delivery. The score remains on 128 for the loss of 8 after 16 hours. Now 4 hours remaining in this evening. 24 deliveries are remaining. 24 खेलने बाकी है इस इनिंग्स की। कैन चुकर फ्रंट्स 11 गिव द टारगेट ऑफ 140-160 टू सीएसके पलहालन? इट विल बी सीन इन नेक्स्ट। अगर सिकंदर यहाँ पे अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा करे तो कुछ भी हो सकता है। एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप खेलनी होगी, क्योंकि सिर्फ 24 गेंदें बाकी है। 8 विकेट गंवाई है फ्रंट 11 चुकर ने। नाउ बॉलर कम्स टू बॉल टू द बैट्समैन उमर। दिस इज अ ग्रेट डिलीवरी बाय बॉलर, वेरी गुड डिलीवरी बाय इमरान, बीट द बैट्समैन उमर। द स्कोर रिमेन्स ऑन 122 for the loss of 8. Imran on his bowling work to the batsman Umer. Here is a shot played by the batsman, but at the end, very good fielding by the bowler. There is no run. Score remains on 122 for the loss of 8. आज निराश किया फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर के बैट्समैनों ने अपने चाहने वालों को, अपने जल्दी विकेट गंवाए आज। Now Imran to the batsman Umer. Oh, here was the chance, but at the end misses by the wicket keeper. This is 4 for Umer, 4 for front 11 Chukar. The score moves on 126 for the loss of 8. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 22 गेंदें बाकी है। खेलना होगा इन दो बल्लेबाजों को, एक अच्छा टारगेट देना होगा सीएसके पलालन, क्योंकि अगर हम बल्लेबाजी की बात करें सीएसके पलालन, उनमें गहराई है बल्लेबाजी में। इमरान टू उमर, बीट द बैट्समैन, वेरी वेल कम बैक बाय इमरान। Score remains on 126 for the loss of 8. Now Imran to the batsman Umer. Here is a chance of this wicket Umer. Oh, this is great catch taken by the fielder of CSK Palahalan, and this is end of Umer. He make only 17 runs. जैसे कि जल्दी है आज फ्रंट 11 चुकर को। This is 9th wicket. Now it is last pair for France 11 Chukar. Can they give the target of 140 to CSK Palalan? आज जैसे कि फ्रांस 11 चुकर के बैट्समैन को जल्दी थी कहीं जाने की, आज अपने जल्दी विकेट गंवाए, आज निराश किया अपने चाहने वालों को फ्रांस 11 चुकर ने. Now the new batsman Aftab Bir, he need to give the support to the batsman Sikandar here, because this is the last pair for France 11 Chukar. This is Aftab Mir on strike, the new batsman, and Imran take his second wicket. Very good delivery by Imran. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है CSK पलहलन की बॉलर्स की. अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे आ चुका तुलबा ग्राउंड में. नाउ दिस इज द लास्ट पेयर. इमरान टू द बैट्समैन आफ्ताब मीर. दिस इज अ ग्रेट डिलीवरी बाय इमरान. After 17 hours, the score is 126 for the loss of 9. Now 18 deliveries, 18 balls are remaining. Can Sikandar will the target give the target of 160, 150 to CSK Palalan? सिकंदर के पास वो क्षमता है खेलने की, उसके पास टेक्निक है. उस बल्लेबाज को यहाँ पे खेलना होगा, रन्स देने होंगे यहाँ पे अपनी टीम को. एक अच्छा सा टारगेट 140, 150 का देना होगा CSK पलालन को. सैम बिलाल, थोड़ा जूम करो. थैंक यू सैम बिलाल साहब फॉर योर सजेशन, एंड ऑल्सो थैंक्स फॉर your love, thanks for your support. This is a T20 under-19 tournament played at Chukar Turba ground. The two teams are CSK Palalan versus France 11 Chukar. First CSK France 11 Chukar, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. आज जैसे कि जल्दी थी France 11 के बैट्समैन को, जल्दी अपने विकेट गंवाए. Now Ashik to the batsman Sikandar. Here is a shot played by the batsman. This is a good shot played by the batsman. 6 for Sikandar, 6 for France 11 Chukar. Sikandar need to be stay here if they wants to give the target of 150, 140 to CSK Palalan, क्योंकि गहराई है बैट्समैनों की CSK Palalan में. The score moves on 132 for the loss of 9. Thank you Sam Bilal Saab for join us with this live stream. आप जल्दी कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप तक हमारी क्वालिटी और आवाज आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए. द टीम which team win this match, who team win this match, it will be seen in next. Now Ashik to the batsman Sikandar. Oh, this is a good shot played by the batsman Sikandar. This is 4 for Sikandar, 4 for France 11 Chukar. Here France 11 Chukar, they need this batsman Sikandar if they want to give the target of 160 to CSK Palalan. Sikandar need to be calm and cool here. He need to be stay here because 16 deliveries are remaining. Now Ashik on his bowling mark to the batsman Sikandar. Sikandar moves on 33. This is a good delivery, great comeback by Ashik. Dot delivery, no run score remains on 136 for the loss of 9. Can Sikandar stay here? Can Sikandar play a change gamer inning here? This is another shot played by the batsman Sikandar. This is another 4 for Sikandar, another 4 for France 11 Chukar. The score moves on 140 for the loss of 9. Sikandar moves on 37. यहाँ पे सिकंदर को खेलना होगा आज अपनी टीम के लिए. एक अच्छा सा टोटल देना होगा CSK पलहलन को. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और हमारी क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए. You can also watch this now. This is Ashik to the batsman Sikandar. Sikandar is on fire. Oh, this is great bowling by Ashik. Clean ball to the batsman. Big hit man of Sikandar. And this is end of this evening. The total target is 141 runs for CSK.